Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for chicken and dumplings with sour cream gravy. It also illustrates the use of the WHIXER tool, both the original and the new WHIXER XL. First step is to cook the chicken. Add a layer of olive oil, then add a layer of sliced onions, then add your chicken. Salt it, then add a generous amount of paprika. Add some onions on top, then cook it on medium heat for about an hour and a half. Remember to turn it occasionally so it doesn't burn. The next step is to make the dumplings. In a large bowl, add your flour. This task we're going to use our WHIXER XL tool to make mixing easy. Add 3 eggs. And then about a cup of milk, a little at a time, until you reach a good thick consistency. The WHIXER starts out like other tools, mixing, pushing the ingredients around, but it quickly starts to break it up into pieces and liquefy it and accelerate the blending process.
Here's what happens when you mix with a WHIXER. Imagine looking down on a cross-section of a WHIXER tool. You have 2 inner membranes. The diamond-shaped membranes have cutting edges in the front and deflecting surfaces on the sides. As you push the WHIXER through your ingredients, the ingredients are cut and deflected into each other and to the sides of the bowl, speeding up the mixing process and aiding in blending your ingredients.
For dumplings, you want the consistency to be a little bit thicker than like a cake batter. There you have it, nice and smooth. Now we could cook the dumplings. In a pot of boiling water, I used a spatula maker. Add the dough to the container on top and slowly push it about, dripping the batter into the boiling water. The dumplings will raise to the top. Cook it for about 5 minutes and strain out all the water and rinse. The finished chicken should have a red-orange hue along with the chicken stock. Mix in some sour cream into the chicken stock. This is where you could use the WHIXER original mixing tool. It's ideal for smaller jobs. Now shred the chicken, add the dumplings to a bowl, add a little sour cream gravy to the dumplings. Then plate it and add a little sour cream gravy on top to give it a little bump, and enjoy. I hope you like this one. I really do.